Hi there! Welcome to the Rethink Your Drink Nevada recipe series for kids. Today, we will be making banana milk spice. To make this recipe, ask an adult in your home for 6 things: 2 bananas, 2 cups of low-fat milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon imitation or pure vanilla extract, a big spoon, and a clean pitcher. Before you start, wash your hands with soap and water. Next, peel the bananas and break them up into small pieces. Place the bananas in the pitcher. Sprinkle the cinnamon over the bananas. Add the vanilla extract. Pour in the cold, low-fat milk. Give it a stir with your big spoon. Cover the pitcher with a lid or plastic wrap. Then, put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Get it super cold because that makes it tasty. Take the pitcher out of the fridge. Remove the fruit from the pitcher. Pour it into your glass. You're gonna love it. For a copy of this recipe and more ideas, visit rethinkyourdrinknevada.com.